This video is to show the assembly of the Spacesaver mobility crate. This is what they look like when they leave the factory and also when you receive them at the warehouse. They come all stacked 3 and 4 high, and the parts that go with it are included and banded right to it. Here's our team removing the metal straps. The first thing they'll do is remove the 4 cross struts. These parts will go on top of the walls that are going to go up next. The walls will just get picked up here and go right in the slots to receive them. It's basically a male-female fit. Real simple. They are designed to be a little snug, just for strength and so the whole thing doesn't wobble around as you stack them together. So occasionally you'll have to wiggle them in to get them to fit inside the hole. And also, you'll see in a minute, there's a rubber mallet, as we call them, a dead blow hammer, that we use occasionally to tap them down inside the holes. With a little persuasion, they'll always fit.
One more.
Here we have the guys lifting the 4th one right inside the receiving holes. Next is the cross struts. There's 2 end ones and 2 middle ones. You can see the difference between the flat pieces. The ones that go on the end have 2 flat pieces, and the ones that go in the center have a single flat piece. This is help to guide as you stack one on top of each other. There's a picture of that rubber mallet, also called a dead blow hammer, that you could use to tap the parts together, just like Edgar's doing right here. Okay. So the cross struts are mounted. The end ones have the 2 beveled pieces. The 2 middle ones have a single beveled piece. That's kind of like a guide as when you stack them. We use the mallet occasionally. Some of this is a tight fit, the galvanize and tolerances and stuff, so it's going to be a tight fit. Use the mallet if you need to. Here we are showing how the ramps work. There's a nice little gate latch we created, stainless steel, riveted on, so you can put a lock on there to secure the vehicle on the mobility crate. Inside that box there are the parts that come with it. There's the written instructions here, and also the 6 straps to strap the vehicle down to the platform. Each mobility crate comes with a box with 6 straps and the written instructions. This next part is our guys showing how they come unstacked and restacked with this little transportation plug. See a little tapered piece in the corner there? That's how you ship them and store them in the warehouse later when not being used. This sums up the assembly of the Spacesaver mobility crate.